Yeah. We don't know about that turkey.
I mean, I put gravy, but this is what it really looks like.
Yeah, guys, I don't really like my food. Once I seen the buffet, I knew it was no good. What do you think? They got white turkey, but she didn't get white turkey. She got brown turkey.
No, it's orange.
Orange turkey. Guys, we have made it. She's excited. Alrighty. Just had to find parking. Here we go. Alrighty, guys, we finally arrived. Let's get inside. Alrighty, guys, you can see the hours over here. Alright, gonna bring you inside. Ma, wait one sec. Alrighty, guys, let's go inside, show you what we see. Alright, we're gonna go to the restaurant. Alright, right here. Right there. Alrighty, guys, we're here. We're gonna film it, let you know how it goes. Just waiting in line. So that's where we entered. Alright. And this is where... Yeah, guys, right now we're just waiting to be seated. This place looks pretty cool. Alright, big. Right here we're sitting. Alright, Mom, what did you get?
Roast turkey.
Alright, and I got a cheeseburger, guys. So we're gonna let you know how that is. Here's the vibe of the place. It's also a buffet. So, but we didn't get the buffet. And yeah, we're just gonna wait and see what we got here. Alright, guys, look at this. Just got these
Yeah, they're
in.
normal. I think they make them.
Alright.
Look how heavy they are.
Yeah, wow, heavy.
They're not packaged.
Not packaged.
They're not packaged. They're heavy, right?
Yeah, they're heavy.
And moist.
What do you got, Ma?
This peanut butter.
Oh, wow.
And this one.
Interesting. Apple butter? Hold it still. Wow. Alrighty, guys, here's my cheeseburger. Got a single. Alright, here's what the coleslaw is looking like. Rotate it for you. Alright, it's our first time here.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. What'd you get?
A turkey
Okay.
and stuffing and mashed potatoes.
Cool. Rotate your plate. Cool. Yep. And look at this, guys. She got the stuffing,
Yeah.
gravy.
And you got pickles and everything?
Hey, we got pickles. We'll let you know how it is. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, guys, I don't really like my food. Once I seen the buffet, I knew it was no good. What do you think? They got white turkey, but she didn't get white turkey. She got brown turkey.
No, it's orange.
Orange turkey? Yeah, I don't know, guys. The coleslaw sucks. I don't know. I'll go show you the buffet. Yeah. We don't know about that turkey.
I mean, I put gravy, but this is what it really looks like.
So guys, you come here, get the plates, alright? They got iceberg salad, alright? Romaine lettuce, spinach, alright? A bunch of tomatoes and a bunch of stuff like that. Then you come over here, alright? See, they got some rice, alright? Mashed potatoes, yeah. Gravy, carrots. Mac and cheese. Alright, I got some chicken. Alright, just so you know. Alright, I got some roast beef. Some roast turkey. Alright, I got this. Just so you know, I got glazed lamb. Got a bunch of stuff in beef and noodles. Alright, meatloaf. Alright. So just so you know, when we show you that, you know, if I would have saw this, maybe I would have not ate here, but I told her to look. And yeah, it is packed though, so there is people that like here, just I don't know. You got the parsley potatoes. Alright, you got the broccoli, got the corn. Here's the vegetable beef soup and the baked chicken. Alright. Pretty cool big Todd. Oh, look at this, marshmallows. Oh, hell yeah. That's something. At least the dirt looks pretty good. And yeah, you can see it gets pretty full. So I'll show you back over here. Yeah, you got this right here. Alright, so I keep showing you down here. Alright, here's where we entered, just so you know. I gotta go find her. I told her to get the check already because it wasn't that good, guys. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, and like here's the roasted chicken. Alright. And yeah, let's get to see where she was. And yeah. Alright, what's the total looking like?
Well, I'm asking them to take the extra white meat off, you know.
Okay, $37.41.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, guys. It wasn't that good. You can do your review. 1 out of 10. Yeah, nothing tasted good. And she was excited to come here, so it's not her fault, you know. It's just the circumstances. You can go to the register up front. I'll follow you. Because no one's gonna, you know. Yeah, guys, so we hate restaurants like this, you know, because we love giving good reviews. It's just sometimes they're not what you think they are. The other restaurant was better. The Amish restaurant, which one was that? Yoder's? That was 10 times better. I hate to say it. But we review restaurants all over Florida. Yeah, go pay up front.
That's her too.
Yeah, it's a review. We're doing an honest review.
Okay, go.
You're good. Yeah, guys, so the
The
bun wasn't really good and the meat wasn't really good, and yeah, I hate to trash this place, you know.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm following you. And yeah, guys, we just don't recommend this one. You know, it's like a Cracker Barrel vibe, you know. So just so you know, like how that is for next time when you come. And yeah, gonna see how we can pay. Oh, we pay at the table. So we gotta go back to the table and pay. Alright, we're just gonna wait for her. We've been, I don't know, we've been waiting though. So yeah, we're just waiting still. And we hate getting like this, guys, but we're just showing you real life. Like we're making the vlog longer because normally we would cut moments like this out. You know? Yeah, it's supposed to be better. Yeah, and the waitresses aren't like the Yoder's. You know, the Yoder's restaurant was good, and we're from Orlando, so you know. Well, you know, she might be busy. You know. But still, it's not even that busy here. And I basically showed them everything, so yeah, guys. And we're just waiting. Excuse me? Oh, excuse me. Could you get our waitress? Thank you. Okay. Yeah, so when we are gonna go back over there, we're gonna come over there. And yeah, she got extra meat. Great waitress. It's just she, you know, the food sucked. It's not her fault. Yeah, and but at least you got your extra meat taken off because you didn't even like the meat, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
Rotate the plate for them.
It's orange. Even the back of it. Look.
Yeah, it's not white meat.
It is. It's not white meat. It's.
Rotate the plate. Yeah.
I don't want to be a fuss pot.
Yeah, you don't want to be a fuss pot,
The
but
other chicken sandwiches that have everybody back.
yeah, guys. So that's another review in the books. Thanks for watching. And you know, it sucked that this sucked, but at least you know it sucks. Alrighty, guys, and that's another one in the books. Thanks for watching, and yeah, come check out the bakery here too. Pretty cool.